Just moments ago, President Trump suggested big pharmaceutical companies could be behind the House impeachment probe.
They come at you from all different sides. I wouldn't be surprised if the hoax didn't come a little bit from some of the people that we're taking on. They're very powerful. They spend a lot of money. Spend, I think, more money than any other group in the world, actually, in terms of lobbying and lobbying abilities. And I wouldn't be surprised if some of the nonsense that we all have to go through, but that I go through, wouldn't be surprised if it was from some of these industries, like pharmaceuticals.
Wow, plot deepens. Meg Tirrell's here. Pharma is the largest single dollar-wise spender when it comes to lobbying. Is that still the case, Meg?
Well, I think they spent about $27.5 million in 2018. We'd have to look at how that compares with other industries. It certainly is an incredibly powerful lobby, and that was what Trump was getting at there. It's really interesting that he is suggesting that pharma may have something to do with this because, you know, late last week when the impeachment inquiry sort of heated up, we did see analysts talking about how investors were saying, well, maybe this will take some attention off of the pressure to lower drug prices. Maybe the administration won't be able to push things through on drug prices as they've been talking about doing, just because everybody's attention will be elsewhere. Now, interestingly, later in that same sort of thought, Trump talked about how everything that they do on Big Pharma just results in pharma's stocks going up. And I think we have a chart here looking back to Trump's election back in November 2016 that shows pharma's actually underperformed the broader market since then. Biotech in particular is up 13% compared with the S&P's 36% since November 2016. Yes, the stocks have gone up, but certainly not as much as the broader market. However, the Trump administration has not been successful in pushing through any drug pricing reforms, guys. And you have seen Merck and Pfizer outperforming the Dow over the last couple of days as people are talking about maybe the impeachment inquiry will take pressure off the space, but not a huge outperformance.
Although Pfizer's never recovered from the Mylan deal. Wow. Meg, as Elizabeth Warren's potential for becoming the Democratic nominee has increased, though, one would expect pharma would not be getting stronger either, given her proposals.
That's a really great point, David. And actually, Jefferies has tracked how Elizabeth Warren has done in the polls versus the performance of the XLV ETF tracking healthcare stocks and found they typically sort of perform inversely. You know, as Elizabeth Warren seems to do better against Joe Biden, drug stocks and healthcare stocks do worse because the industry is afraid of what she might do if she's elected.